Warning: dangerous, harmful, and corrosive chemicals were used in this experiment. Be careful when handling chemicals. Here we are going to make manganese metal from thermite reaction. For that we need manganese dioxide and aluminium metal powder. The ratio is 12 parts of manganese dioxide to 5 parts of aluminium metal powder. So I am going to use 24 grams of manganese dioxide and 10 grams of aluminium powder. In this beaker I have 10 grams of fine aluminium powder and here I have 24 grams of manganese dioxide. Now I am going to mix these powders together. I have a clay lid. Now what I am going to do is fill this clay lid with this thermite mixture and ignite the mixture using magnesium ribbon. Okay, now you can see here this is the result. Now I am going to crush this residue and find some elemental manganese metal. This is the crushed product of first trial, but I can't see any big chunks of manganese metal. By the way, there are some little beads of manganese metal. So now I am going to do is scale up the reaction and do it again. And this is the slag of trial 2, and now you can see here there is a manganese metal, and here inside of the slag you can see there is a big bead of manganese metal. Now I am going to crush this and get all of the manganese metal out of this slag. Okay, here is the result. This is the crushed and well washed product. Now I am going to find the pieces of manganese metal. This is the biggest manganese metal I could find, and here is the other. Okay, now you can see here, this is the final product, manganese metal. There is 4.44 grams of manganese metal.